Team locker rooms don't need to be that old metal locker style anymore. They've evolved just as technology and everything else has. And Legacy Lockers offer some amazing options to make your team locker push your passion even farther. Networked audio-visual systems integrated into the locker room design allow teams to analyze plays, hone strategies using video games, or watch playbacks of the first half in order to adjust their game during halftime. Locker room designs in wood, laminate, and melamine finishes offer sophisticated and elegant looks to the team atmosphere, bringing a sense of pride to the place of motivation. Padded seats and stools provide a more comfortable area for putting on shoes, physical therapy, or just a break between workouts. Integrated fresh air systems are a great amenity to keep the locker room smelling as fresh and clean as it looks. There's no need for the drab, dreary metal lockers with mesh fronts any longer. Now any locker room can look and smell clean and fresh with a variety of customizable lockers available from Legacy Lockers. Learn more at legacylockers.com.